Hey, Scott Grove here, and I know I've mentioned this once before, but I can't believe I spent 45 years monkeying around and I haven't learned this just this summer. So I'm making these little, I'm making these little sculptural finials here, and to do that, I have to mount them to this little piece of MDF, and I hot glue this piece on so I can cut it out on a bandsaw. And in the past, I would use double stick tape and all sorts of other methods. And here, just with the hot glue, getting this unstuck from the hot glue was always tedious in the past. You could put it in a microwave if it was a smaller part, but heat gun, it was just always a problem. And as I mentioned, I learned at the Mark Adams School of Woodworking while teaching there this summer that just DNA, denatured alcohol, will release hot glue. This is a great tip, and I'm going to be using it for everything. So if I just hose that baby down and apply a little pressure, and the pieces just pop off like that. So if you need to glue anything down as a fixture to hold it so you can drill it, screw it, sand it, whatever, try hot glue next time, and boy, a little denatured alcohol will release that item, this little ebony finial that I'm working on. So boy, it's a great tip, and I have to share it again because I just think it has a lot of potential. So I hope that helps. Happy holidays. Stay warm. The storm just hit. If you're thinking about that, I'm good. Take care. Bye.